first and foremost thing is any child who is completing his 12th has to join an undergraduate course. Everyone keeps something in their mind for future. They want to join a particular university, they want to join a particular branch and so on. So in this regard, what to do? So to reach the top universities of the world, it could be top 100, it could be top 10, it could be top 8 Ivy League colleges and so on. So anything one has to take, they have to take an examination called as SAT, SAT. SAT is conducted for 1600 marks broken into two subjects. One is English and other is mathematics. Each is conducted for 800. The total duration of examination is 3 hours. Now mathematics is again broken into two parts. First case is not using calculator, 20 questions, and the second one is using calculator where there are 38 questions. So total 38 plus 20 is 58 questions in mathematics. Now when it comes to English, again it is broken into two parts. One is reading and other is writing. In the reading part there are 52 questions and in the writing part there are 44. So all put together it is 3 hours, and this does not include essay writing. Essay writing is an optional, and somebody wants to get a better branch in a better college. So they would like to take a essay writing test, which is an optional. But those are interested and those are looking for better placement in a better university or better ranked college in the world will take essay, which is conducted for 24 marks and for 50 minutes. So this 3 hours does not include this 50 minutes. So this is additional time. If somebody is taking this essay writing, they get additional 50 minutes and the marks that could be allotted maximum is 24. So therefore, a student, if they want to take into an admission into an undergraduate course, they need to take SAT compulsorily. And sometimes, of course, when you ask me, is it really compulsory for a student to take SAT? Without SAT, can a student get a seat? There are so many rules for so many colleges, but for the top colleges of the world, it is compulsory. A student starts taking tests most probably from their 9th class onwards. So because the score is valid for 5 years, it is taken earlier and one need to submit the score for an admission into that university. Ensure that you prepare well before you take exam. Children, if you want to be in the best, you should be having the best scores. You can visit us at Yep Master. Download Yep Master, leave a question there. We are there to answer your doubts and clarify your doubts.